School Matters. What a wonderful day we had today, November the 11th. It's a Monday, and what a great start to the week. We started the day with a wonderful Veterans Day program at the school, so thank you to all of you that were involved in putting that together. Thank you so much, and if you're a veteran watching this show, thank you so much for what you do for our country and for your service. Next, we had a wonderful day at Your Pie Pizza. The students of Mr. White's class had the opportunity to go there and have lunch for free, have a speaker to come in, Dr. Brian Henley, who wrote the book that I'm going to talk about in just a second. But he came in and talked about who we want to be on the inside. Do we want to be a helper, an encourager, someone who is kind? Do we want to be a leader? Who do we want to be on the inside? And then he gave each member, or someone donated actually, a copy of his book, Be Kind. It might be their birthday. And you can find it on Amazon if you want your own copy, or your kids won't share theirs. But he gave each one of their kids, our kids in our class today, an autographed copy of this. So what a wonderful start to the day. But let's jump into our homework. Bar graphs. We're starting bar graphs this week, and it's really important you pay attention and understand what you're looking at when you look at a bar graph. When we get into our pictographs, we're going to have something called a key. But what I want you to do is look at on here. Right here, we have the number 0 and we have the number 10. So we're just going to count our lines, and if we do so, normally we'd get to 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, our next one's 10. So obviously something's wrong. So what your student's going to need to do is skip count and figure out what number they need to skip count in order to get to 10. So let's try the number 2. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that means each one of these right here, each one of these columns is worth 2. So for instance, if you had a bar that came all the way out to this line here, that means it's worth 6. But what do you do if you have a bar that you find halfway in between 2 and 4? Well, what number's between 2 and 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you come down, and the number is 3. So when your kids are doing their homework tonight and they're trying to answer those questions that come along with it, please make sure that they take a look at how much each line is worth. And I'll give you a hint, if you paid attention to the video this long, this is pretty accurate. Thanks. Have a blessed day. Oh, and some of you have been leaving comments on the YouTube page. I can't answer those, but if you leave a comment on Remind 101, I can get back with you, parents, or parents, you can also email me as well. Thanks, and have a blessed night.